Testing. Yo. I've been a bit slow with my progress lately, but I'm gonna continue working on it. Let me just bring up the music. Oh hey, Colorsaw. What's up? You wasn't procrastinating? How's it going, man? Hang on, I think the fan is blowing into my mic. Just a moment. Okay, better. Opening up Game Maker to work on UI stuff. Nice. Hello, Captain Blade. What's up? Oh yeah, I'm working on the introduction scene of Jump Jaboa. I've been delaying the Opera GX gem. I still have yet to work on it. But I hope to work on it like maybe over the weekends. So this is the opening scene, and you can break out of the cage. Right, but that's about it at the moment. So I'm gonna think about how else to improve it. Which part of UI is nice? The fact that you're working on it and trying to get it over with, I guess. I personally cannot stand UI. UI takes a lot of time. You're happy with the current status of the Game Jam kit? Nice! If you need anyone to test, you can just post your game on the Discord server. You wanna add 2-player mode? Ah, okay. UI is a pain, you can't. Yeah, exactly. Add 100-player mode. It's meant to be played offline, so imagine if you have like 100 people in your room. Wait, do we even have 100 keys on the keyboard? Are there 100 keys? Maybe. Okay, anyways. No, there isn't enough keys. Make it a battle royale. Battle royale sounds fun to work on. You need 200 for your game cause each person needs 2. Damn, you're making me want to work on my the gem title as well. Yeah, but I want to finish the introduction scene first. Let's do some slow motion, shall we? Let's do some slow motion. Oh, Lucius. Yeah, I'll be gaming tonight. I want to get some work done today. Who am I and what have I done with Chini? I mean, it sounds nice to work on, but obviously it's not something I would do. It's not something I would do in the immediate future. Yeah, because of all the time constraint and the lack of resources. But at some point, it would be nice to work on it. Hello, Mittens. Hello. Hello, Mittens. There's so many exciting things happening no, regarding horror games. Fatal Frame is coming, right? Fatal Frame. Fatal Frame is coming. If it does well, maybe they'll make a new one. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Yeah. Yeah, Fatal Frame. Anyways, I'm working on the introduction scene for my game. You know, I've basically gone to the part where I'm just trying to finish up the remaining tasks. And then I will have to work on the dreaded monetization. Damn. Go to intro. I feel like I need to put some slow motion in here somewhere. Oh damn, I also need to work on the sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this bar will start running to the right. Gotta work for the months. Yeah, exactly. Gotta work for the ka-ching. I mean, if we can work without worrying about the money, that would be nice. But in my case, I kind of want it. I want to make games for a living, so I have to at least give that a try. Streamer, when will you work on monetization? I got started on it, but I don't really have much. Like, I have this script here, right, called the iAds controller as the interface for you know, calling the necessary functions to load and show advertisements. But it's not like the most fun thing to work on, and well, you know. Your go-to buy is pretty hard. Yeah. And you have also not monetized. Yeah. I intentionally not monetized my Twitch because I want I want to make money through the sales of my games. Yeah. So this streaming thing is just like something to push myself to work on games. Yeah, so I don't want to bring like monetization into this streaming thing. Because I think once I do it, right, I will start giving myself more stress. So I'm trying to avoid that. Right. Yeah, you do think about how to improve the stream more. Yeah, I know, right? So I don't want that kind of stress. So I think upon breaking out, I will slow down the time. Start slow-mo. Let me increase the font size. Start slow motion. It's not stressful. Twitch pays their creators less than pennies, so you'll be fine. Right. No, it's not just that. It's once, you know, like, if people starts contributing, right, like they start subscribing to your channel, by giving you money, then at least in my case, I would feel certain pressure. Yeah. It's always stressful because you wonder if people will even see your game, and advertising is difficult. Yeah, that is true. That's true. I think we have to consider the long game. Right, we have to do it over the long term. I believe most people don't achieve success like from one game alone. It's more of like you make a bit from the first game, and then you make a bit more from the second game, and then over time you build up a following. I think it's more like that, than the usual success story that we are more like familiar with, right? Like this game become a blockbuster and it made the developer millions. Yeah, I think that those are more of outliers. I got an emote slot to fill. That's true. What's the difference between people supporting your stream and people supporting your games? What's the difference? Let me see if I can articulate that. Well, I guess it's more like when people buy my game, they are buying for they're paying for the content of my product, not of the product that I've put together, right? So I put in work on that product. But when it comes to my stream, right, it's pretty scarf, right? I don't really, I'm not very professional when it comes to streaming, so yeah. And since I'm not taking any money from this when streaming, I don't have to worry about all sorts of things about making it more professional and whatnot. It's just money from multiple avenues spread out. No, I think you're right in a sense. Yeah, I'm just very bad at dealing with this sort of pressure. Yeah. With Twitch, it's supporting the streamer. Right. It could just be a side thing. Right. Oh, thanks, man. I mean, you made good points. I'm just I'm just terrible at dealing with this kind of pressure, so I'd rather not deal with it. Besides, there's a lot of benefits to just doing what I'm already doing. I get like feedback from all of you. That makes development significantly smoother. I get more motivation to finish my project as well. Okay, let's do this part here. I think I can use a twinning library to do this part. Still fashion you even though you're not subscribers, you might as well get paid. You're all too kind. Let me try twin library. Is fast to slow is ease out. Yeah. Fast to slow. No, I want slow to fast, so it's ease in, right? Yeah. Ease in quad. Twin mode once. Oh, you're too kind. Being an affiliate doesn't change anything. You have the ability to add emotes and stuff like that, but you don't have but it does bring up like pre-stream advertising, right? Sometimes, I see. Delay is 0. Duration, 1 second. Properties. Anyway, this will probably be a short stream. I think I have dinner later. We'll see how it goes. Okay, start and end. I will start at 0.25 to 1. There we go. You don't see ads because Twitch doesn't play ads in your country for some reason. Ooh! You get the best Twitch experience. I feel like I don't need to put this out here. Just put it in here. Start slow motion. How would it work? I have no idea. Let's try it out. Regional perks. You rarely see ads because the ads are location specific. So if no Malaysian companies are buying ads, then you don't see that. Oh! You also lack the ability to subscribe to anyone. Lately it's just been Alienware and Genshin. Yeah. I see quite a bit of Genshin ads. For some reason. Genshin. Okay, let's see. I hope it does the slow motion thing. I don't see it. I don't feel it. Oh my goodness. Huh? Let's start from 0 then. What if I put 10 seconds? Isn't it pronounced Genshin? Oh, I think it's Japanese pronunciation, I believe. So I think the kanji is pronounced Genshin. I think so. I think it's pronounced Genshin. I could be wrong. It's either Japanese or Chinese. Right. I do wonder what the name means though. Like in Chinese, what exactly does it mean? 原神, what does that mean? Something god? Original god? God of origin? Is that what it means? What does that mean? Genshin. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eh? My slow motion is not working. Oh no, I'm screwed. I don't get it. Let me try. I think it's this hit pause. I think it's this thing that's messing me up. Let me remove hit pause. The only thing you know about Japanese is that it has funny letters. Increase the game FPS, then reset it again. The thing is, I'm not sure if that works on a lower end device like my Android phone. My Android phone is pretty low end. Let me try it again. No! It's not bloody working. Let me check something. If you try again, it will magically work move. Yes, what's up, Kalazor? It looks like it's correct though. Have I ever made my own game engine in school? Yes, in school. I wrote something like this. Well, it's not an engine to the extent of like Unity, because Unity comes with like this crazy editor, right? So obviously the stuff I've done is a lot more primitive. Let me see if I can find it. There's this one that my final game project in school back in university. Let me see if I can find it. Boxer Smash. Just a moment, eh? Boxer Smash editor. Oh yeah, there we go. This is my schoolwork. Let's see. This one, I wrote the graphic engine for this. So it's a Voxer. Oh, let me turn off the audio. Genie made Game Maker. No. But yeah, I did the Voxer graphics engine, and then I wrote the editor for animating the character. So this is the editor I wrote for animating the character and for modeling the character as well. So I handed it to the team's artist, and she did this. Right, so you can animate the character. Let me see if I can. Where's the part where the animation? Oh, there we go. No, not yet. It's the animation. Come on. Why is it so sped up? It's not a very good demo, I guess, but I think there's a work in progress walking animation as well. Yeah, I think this is a work in progress. Like at this point, right, there wasn't any support for rotating the submeshes. So, oh, there we go. That's the animation. That's the idle animation. The walking animation wasn't properly supported at this point when I recorded the video. Oh, those were fun times. Those were fun times. We also did this. This one I wrote the physics engine. This one was... How many years ago was that? Oh, 2011. Holy crap. I did the physics engine for this. Good times, man. Yeah, but I don't know if I'm still able to do this. There's a lot of work involved. A lot of work and research involved. Let's see. You read the article, someone posted in Discord about creating game engines or something, and you think they said that they use Love 2D. I think Love 2D is a framework. It's a somewhat lower end framework in that they don't provide a lot of stuff for you. They provide some like rendering capabilities or texture loading capabilities, but aside from that, right, they don't give you a lot. So you kind of have to build the rest on your own. I think. Yeah, I could be wrong. I made this in high school? No, in uni, in university. I went to DigiPen. Yeah, that's where I learned most of the stuff that I know. What did I study in university? I studied computer science, but it's the degree is focused on simulations, right? So we make games. Well, basically, games is a kind of simulation, so that's our focus. I need to know why this is not working. I don't understand. Let me see if I can print something here. You self-taught game maker to yourself. Yeah, that's more awesome, you know, like being able to teach an entire engine to yourself by yourself. Free 2D game engine. I mean, it's just a label, I guess. But it's significantly lower, more low end, I guess. Not low end, sorry, low level. It's more low level in that it doesn't provide everything for you. Aside from that, you had C++ programming lessons in school. Hey! Yeah, C++. That's the language I learned too in school. Let me tag this DT mod. Not sure what's wrong. It just... Oh, sorry, I just meant to say that it doesn't really provide a lot of the functionalities that you may be familiar with in GameMaker and in Unity. Hello, Crazy UX! To be fair, GML is pretty similar to C++ in some key elements. Yeah, that sounds logical. But for the longest time, it's missing stuff like, you know, the ability to write your own class. But at least now we can do structs, which is good. Let me check out Love 2D. I mean, I could be wrong. It's not like I've tried Love 2D before. Let me see. Yeah, in terms of functionality, I think it's definitely it's more bare bone. So it's I guess it's the kind of framework you use, right? If you like to code your own systems, maybe. There is also no editor for it, I believe. There isn't an editor, you know, there isn't like this program like this. I think. Is there an editor? Let me look it up. Yeah, it looks like it's all from the command line, is it? Easiest way to run a game is to drag the folder into... Okay. Yeah. Jaboa's vibing. Switch us over to law to avoid UI. I wouldn't suggest using Love 2D though. It looks like you have to read up like a whole ton of their documentation. Let's see. Or rather, I should clarify, I wouldn't suggest you switch over to this when you already know GameMaker. Love... Oh, they have a physics API. Let me see. What does it offer? Switches to Pygame. GameMaker, you have to code everything. No, I mean GameMaker, you at least have an editor, right? You have this editor here. You have this editor, and GameMaker, I believe, has its own like order of events, right? Like you have the events like create, step, and everything like that. Here, it's also here, but I believe that it's a lot more primitive. Like you have a draw event, you have a load. Okay, what else? You have a load and a draw, I guess. Is that it? I think yeah. So I think you do have to build your own main game loop yourself. I think. And there should be an update function also, right? If anyone here knows Love 2D, please correct me. I'm not very familiar with it. Oh, what the? I can't even check out the physics function course. But this does looks fun, right? If I want to like do a small experiment, it looks pretty lightweight. It's cool. Game Maker's a mini. Why is there no Twitch Game Maker emote? What kind of emote is that? Luckily it's just water and not nearby electronics. Ah, careful man. Okay, let me test this out. So this is my delta times, but somehow the debris is falling without caring about the delta time. So I think I've done something wrong. Eh? Don't understand. Let me try it again. Let me try this again. Let me change this to delta time. Global.dt. You code mostly in GMS2 as well. Oh yeah, you have a very nice looking game. Do you have any plans on when you want to release the demo? My delta time is not affected by the DT mod. Why is that? Okay, got it. I made a mistake. It's supposed to be global here. Goodness gracious. Forgotten my own code. Eh? Can I? Oh damn. Can I? How do I twin global variables? I do not know how. Shout out to Chinikin. After trying streaming the other day, you work on improving your streaming setup a bit further. Oh, that's great, man. You plan on releasing a demo this year sometime, hopefully. Yeah! It looks like we all have a milestone to reach this year, because I intend to release this game this year as well. So hopefully we'll all reach our milestone this year. Okay, I figured out what's wrong. I should not have... I'm doing this part wrong. Doing this part wrong. Not sure what I should do though. What if I just put a variable out there? At this point, I'm just hard coding the whole thing. It looks terrible, but you know, who cares? Delta mod. Me either. You can give yourself a milestone, maybe a playable, a first playable. Why yellow? What's yellow? Yellow? Your milestone is to finish this damn UI. Oh yeah, it sounds good. It's a great goal to have. Ah, there we go. Finally. So once I have this... Oh! I think once I have this, it should work correctly. Is this message yellow? Really? It doesn't look yellow to me. It looks italic to me. How do you get that? Magic. One, two, three, four, five. No, it's not. It's not bloody working. I'm gonna put 0 here and see what happens. Somewhere else in the code is changing it back to 1, am I right? Mobile doesn't have it. Ah. You type /me before your message. Hey, thanks man, Crazy UX. You're much too kind. One, two, three, four, 5. Nothing. It's not working. Okay, let me try to do something. Oh my god, am I going to spend another stream just debugging? Please no. Please. Okay, let me get this up. It matches your name color. Oh!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright, let's try this out. It's supposed to be 0.016. Why is it 0.2 here? Is it that laggy? It can't be, right? Oh my god, it's not working the way I was expecting it to. me try again. Debug hell stream, yeah. Debug hell stream indeed. I think you tried talking a bit too much right last. Oh really? I thought you were okay though. Oh, but I definitely felt very nervous initially when I started the streaming. At some point I turned off raids because the pressure got to me. but yeah, now I've turned it back on. I think I'm a little bit more comfortable with this now. Okay, let's try this out. It says 1 here, right? So if I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's still 1. Why is it not 0? Oh no, my code is really broken now, I think. That's not good. Oh, it's the game manager that's doing it. Why is the game manager doing... Oh. Oh. Got it. It's a bit daunting at first. Yeah, relatable. No worries, man. I think you did great. This... So, game manager is overriding what I wanted. It's overriding DT modifier. So I guess I can hack around it by doing something like this, but by checking if the room is, you know... No, but if I keep doing this, eventually my code is going to be really, really, really unreadable. Is there a better way to do it? Oh, I know. I just checked that it's a game room, right? It's game level. I guess I can do something like this. Not, at least this is a little bit better. So this should only apply if this is a game level. Target room. If not target room, I will exit and not call any of this. Maybe this would be better. Hit pause to be applied only in game levels. Maybe something like this would work better. So I'm gonna go to intro again. Why is this 0.02? That's so weird. Is it rounded up? Maybe it is. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there we go. There we go. 0. Yeah, okay, that's correct. So that means I can go back to my delta time updater thingy, you know, take away this. Then I'll go back to the cutscene manager, whatever it's called, and then DT mod. Oh, do this. Then we see if the slow motion will work. No wait, it's not gonna work properly because I set it at 10 seconds. Let's try 3 seconds for the slow motion to finish. So go from slow. Yeah, you go from slow to fast. Ease in. Slow to fast. Let's try again. Something like that. One, two, three, four, five. A bit too slow. How about 1.5 seconds? Set up face rig as well. With your webcam since last, among other adjustments and fixes. So you'll see how that goes next time you decide to stream. Alright, man. I look forward to it. Try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that good? I can't tell. I cannot tell. Can't tell if it's good or not. Might be missing some feedback. 3, 4, 5. Nice zoom out effect, but thanks, man. What game am I playing later? I think I'm playing Synthetic with John. I'm gonna try playing that. Let's see how that goes. Oh, Bojo. Oh, you wanna play? We can do that next time. 1, 2. How many people can play in Synthetic? 3, 4, 5. Something like that. Hang on, eh? Do I need a slight delay? Maybe not. Okay. I'll stick with that for now. There is an issue though. Let me just go to the mockup. I have an issue that I probably have to fix. Lucius, are you familiar with the game Synthetic? Because I have not actually played it before. But it looks super cool and it's made in Game Maker, and for some reason, right, even though it's made in Game Maker, the assets looks like they are 3-dimensional. Super impressive. I don't know how they get it to look that way. Anyways, for the Jerboas, I have this issue. I don't. If you notice, I shortened the tail of all of the Jerboas behind the cages because it looks super weird. Yeah, because it looks really weird with this tail this long when you're behind the cage. Yeah, I don't know why it feels weird. It's just that, you know, it's completely parallel to the bars, and there's something about it that looks really messy. So I shortened the tail. But once I've broken out of the cage, I need to bring the tail back, right? So that complicates stuff a bit. So let me see if I can fix that. You played it before, it's just a roguelike shooter. Maybe make the zoom out go slightly faster. Okay, I can try that. But I'll probably try it together with the audio. Once I've made the audio, I will start piecing them together and do the final adjustments. So then I might then tweak it and make it slower, rather faster. Make it faster. Okay, intro player. The tail could be on the ground. Tail could be on the ground. Just a moment, eh? Oops, I think my mouse is acting up again. Let me check if I have any Bluetooth devices. Oh, okay, disabled. Okay, sorry. On the ground, you mean like something like this? Oops. You mean something like this? I guess so. Maybe. Something like this. Maybe. Yeah, I might tweak this. Yeah, but for now, let me just go back to this part here. I have an intro idle. Let me think, eh? Let me think. Oh yeah, I can change this part. Maybe slightly behind the bar on the other side. Maybe slightly behind the bar on the other side. Slightly behind. You mean like that? Or something like that? Yeah. Maybe. You know, the funny thing about doing something at such a low resolution is that a single pixel can change a lot. A single pixel is so important at this resolution. No worries, I think I can work around this problem. So once I've broken out, I will assign the new tail. Assign longer tail to player. To player Jaboa. You know, my entire cutscene is hard coded. It's just a FSM. It's an FSM, right? But with all of the sequence defined in order. Zoom out, break out, broken out. I just hard code everything. Yeah, hard coded. Okay, end player. Let me try this part here. Equals to assign longer tail. There we go. Let's see if it works. Hard coding is the real deal, man. Yeah. I was thinking behind the mouse to the left, 1 pixel behind the bar to the left. Let me see if I can understand what you're referring to. Behind the mouse to the left, 1 pixel behind. Oh, you mean like this? Or rather like this? I could do that also. You're right. I could probably do that also. Maybe I can. Let me consider that for now. Let me like marinate it in my brain. Let me think about that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pow. What's this? Oh. Oh, damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Damn it. It's the way I did the eyes. Oh well, I can just cheat. Hang on. I'll just cheat. So messy. Do you think streaming dev gives you enough feedback? It gives me a bit. It gives me a bit. I think nothing beats playtesting. I think playtesting is invaluable. Like we have to do it. But I think what's so great about streaming is that you have people holding you accountable. Like you feel the need to finish your work because you know there are people watching. So I think it serves that purpose as well. Because you need feedback for a project. Yeah, I think if you need feedback, definitely go for the find play testers. I think that's that will give you more useful feedback. Right, they'll give you more quantity. I mean, yeah. Behind the bar, like oh, hang on, like that. Behind the bar, like Jaboa, this, like that, or maybe like that. Like that. Maybe. I can maybe try that. Yeah, the only thing that is that makes me a little bit hesitant to try it is that the tail will be applied to every single Jaboa, and I'm a little bit afraid that it might be a bit too much, like not subtle enough. I guess I can give it a shot. Let me try. Where are the other Jaboas? Cage back. Oh, there we go. Something like that, right? I'll think about it for now. But you do want to work a lot more than what you currently do. Yeah, man, I look forward to it. Is that Chow? Hello, Chow. How's it going? I've been avoiding spoilers about your game so I can give you fresh feedback. Oh my god, what's wrong with the eyes? Ah! Excuse me, let me fix that. What's wrong with the eyes? Come on. You changed up the gameplay completely again. Jaboa jamming. But the pixel right behind the Jaboa is not fully on the ground, so it may look like a snake instead. Oh, true. Means something like this, right? Oops. Yeah, I can maybe try this. Thanks, man. I'll try this out maybe off stream. I'll go and fix this up. Okay, let me. No, you didn't. You just added more layers. Okay. No, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Thanks for your feedback, Crazy UX. Thank you. Imagine not resetting your gameplay every time you log on. Okay, I think it's somewhat there. I just need to think about what kind of ambient sound to put into the game. Oh, hang on, my mouse is acting up again. Do I have any Bluetooth devices? No. Why is it acting up? Let me check my other phone. No. Maybe it's time for a new mouse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. It needs a higher jump height. Yeah, you're right. I I kind of put myself into a corner there. The reason why the Jabba is not jumping high, right, is because there is a wall on top. Like at the base of every single cage, right, it's a wall. It's a thin wall, and so the player is colliding against it. That is a problem. Oh wait, I can cheat. Hang on. I can cheat. Watch me cheat my way through it, all this thing. Sprite. Cage. Come on, cage. I'm gonna cheat right now. Cheat. Yeah, man. Cheat my way through life. Oh wait, but that might give me more problems. Let me think. I might have to change this programmatically. Maybe. Let me think about that. Ah, look at that. My mouse is crazy. So you need to figure out a better solution for your music next time. Yeah, I'm using Pretzel Rocks. Do you use Nightbot as well? Oh, I'm not familiar with Nightbot. Yeah, so just Pretzel. Pretzel Rock. Oh, there you go. You can jump out of the cage already. Oh, it's all just. I'm just cheating. Let me think. How should I fix this? I can't believe Shima is cheating. That's right, I cheat. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. I think what I can do is... Oh! Have a good dinner, man. Have a good dinner. Yeah, man. That's an order. I think I know what I can do. I'm going to put a wall on top of the Jaboa. Alright, so basically... Oh man. This is pretty tedious. Just going to call it temporary temp wall, temp ceiling, you know, temp ceiling equals to instance create. Oh man. X minus 4. Wait, tile size is 10, right? Minus 5. Y. How big is the cage, by the way? I think it's about 17 or something. 17, yeah. Minus 17, minus 16. Da, 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 da. Oops. I'm going to put a wall up there. Let me see if I can see the wall. Cheating times 3. Even if what you do just feels like you're making a rough sketch or taking inspiration from other games, you're getting things done. Can always be improved on later if needed. Oh yes, I certainly agree. I certainly agree. You're right. I agree. Oh! Where the hell is my wall? No! Where's the wall? Okay, that means I need to make the wall visible. Let me just make it visible in code. Cheating is okay in two things, game dev and cookie clicker. Oh, my mouse is definitely going crazy again. S is so close to X. What? Where's my wall? Oh! Crap! Whoops! Oops, 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 oops. Oops. I got it wrong. Just a moment. This is supposed to be player X. Okay. Hey, breakfast time for you! So it's breakfast time for you and it's almost dinner time for me. Half a day apart, eh? Mouse is just jamming. Seven hours 6. Maybe? I'm not sure. 7? I see. It's 7:40 now over where I am. Okay, wow. This wall is way too low. Why is it so low? Oh, I get it. It should do. Yeah, 6:40. That's right. Did I say something? Did I say anything other than 6:40? I said 7:40? Oh no! My bad. I realize I have a tendency to think one thing and say another. Like the words that leaves my mouth isn't like what I intend to say sometimes. What's wrong with me? Okay, let's try this. Okay, so I need to remove this when it breaks. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'll just go to the FSM here. Upon breaking out, I will have to destroy. I hope destruction happens on that frame itself. I think it probably does. Let's give it a shot. Is Streamlabs a bot? Yeah, there's a bot. You just need an account. And you can activate CloudBot. And it will do stuff like alerts for you, I believe. Or the redeeming of store items and whatnot. Switching to Godot because it's got built-in UI. You could also remove it after the 4th gen. Oh yeah, you're right. Thank you. Good idea. One, two, three, 4, 5. Woo! I think that seems to work. Long tail. Long wiggly distracting tail. It probably shouldn't be animating like that. But it's okay, I think this is the only place where you'll see the player in idle animation. I might tweak this later, we'll see. Let's make it like walk off the screen. Sorry for asking our bots. No, don't be sorry. I think the bots it's from this. Let me see if I can show it. I think it's this thing here. I think that's what activates the bot, if I'm not wrong. Food has been devoured. Oh my god, you're fast. You're fast. You got Streamlabs add-on that you applied to OBS Studio, so you have an account then. Oh, then I guess yeah, you definitely do. What if you don't have a pause menu and it just says it's always online, but it's not really? I like your idea. I think you should go with it. I'm kidding. Let's just say walk. No, run. Run right. Okay. Menus give you pain and suffering. Same. Menus in your games are the messiest things ever. Yeah, for me it just takes forever to implement. How would you feel if the main menu option screen and the pause menu option screen wasn't consistent? It doesn't have to be, right? I think in a lot of games they are not exactly consistent. It's dependent on context, I think. But what kind of consistency are you referring to? Make a game, make advanced AI, NPCs, call them players, apply the text always online. Alrighty, let's try this. Run right, enter, run right, update, run right, exit, exit, enter, update, exit. School holidays is coming up, so I wouldn't have to worry about part-time job after next week. So I should have more time to prepare for the game release. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Unless I'm given like a whole crap ton of stuff to grade, then that would be a different matter. Okay, run, right, enter. Woo! You have 1.5 months of holiday in summer. Nice. Oh, that's great, man. More the layout stuff and how it looks, because you're wanting the main menu to be the bounty board stuff, but for pause menu something more simple. Yeah, I guess it's fine, right? I think it's fine. I think, you know, your pause menu doesn't really need to be set in the game world itself. If it's separate, it's still fine. Okay, run, right, on. Okay, yeah, time to code this. Time to delete a bunch of code then. Run, right, enter. Oh wait, John messaged me. Just a moment. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Okay, let's move the player. Messy code and player dot. Oh man, I hate looking at this code. It's terrible. Oh, there we go, I found it. Mega based as usual. Oh, my code is really terrible. I'll do it more properly for the next project, I guess. Let's see. I mean, that's what I say every time. Oh, I have no idea why this is happening. You like teeth? I have no idea why this is happening. You know what? Let me play a pre-recorded performance, I guess. Let's call it performance. There we go. But my mouth's no longer moving. I have no idea why this is happening. This is the second time it's happened today. Okay, let me... What if I stop playing the thing? Oh my god. Hi. Hey, look at that! Woo! You know what? I don't know what's going on, so I'm just gonna play the performance. Oh my god, that's terrible. It's originally based on friendly cosmonauts menu stuff, and hers can be used for pause menu, so it wouldn't be too difficult to implement. Right, right. I don't know what's happening. I don't even have my what do you call that? My webcam on, so I don't know what's causing face rig to go haywire. That's weird. Hey, Crazy UX, thanks again. Thank you. Okay, let me just figure out when to jump into the next state. I'm just going to... Tween add callback, will that work? The thing about sprites in cages, sprites can always be changed later. Play your game from the beginning later, note down the things. Yeah, you're right. Games looks crappy compared to your... Nah, don't say that. You should have seen the stuff I made like way back. Oh my god. That's terrible. Let me see if I can find it. My very first... Oh wait, my very first project is in Flash. I don't think I can run it anymore. Damn it. The very first game I released looks pretty crap. Thugs of War, let me see. No, Yellow Gate is not the very first one I made. Ah! I'm sorry. For some reason I can play it in Newgrounds, so I think Newgrounds must have like some technology to keep Flash, the SWF working. Oh, it's called Ruffle, I guess. Oh. Oops, sorry. Newgrounds has some tech for it. Oh, that's crazy, man. Look at that, 2006. Look at this menu, it's amazing. It looks like crap. Utter nonsense. Oh, I do not know why I put 2 stripes here, as if that looks cool. It's nonsense. Anyways, you can fight. Oh, why is this nonsense? I can do this. Oh my god. I think you can do special move. Oh, I forgot the key. Oh, there we go. Oh, what a piece of crap. Oh no. The balancing is completely gone to the crapper as well. Oh! Okay. Oh, I can jump. I forgot I can jump. Ah! Ah! Oh no! I'm dying. Help! Damn this thing. It's the American menu. No. No, I mean look at my design sense. Like I do not know why I thought like putting this stripe looks good, because if you look at it now, right, it just makes all the text less readable. So I don't I also wait, but my back button doesn't work. No. Yeah, I don't know. The credits button doesn't work. Oh my goodness. 2006. Wow, that's so long ago. Minus 15 health remaining, incredible. I know, right? I call that a feature. Instead of writing die, I should write pi. Is this a prequel to Jump Jaboa? No way. No way. Well, I remember I was playing Tales of Symphonia, and I was inspired to like make something that features like their combat system. Because Tales of Symphonia has a like special attack button, right? They have a neutral attack. You have a forward special. You have a forward special. You have a special, neutral special, and what else I forgot. But I loosely adapted the Tales of Symphonia combat system, even though it looks nothing like Tales of Symphonia. No bugs here, only features. Yes, yes. Hilarious. Yeah, so that was my starting point, I guess. Like, that was the first thing that I made that is not part of a schoolwork that I release publicly. Yeah. So I thought it looks terrible, but then the next project it still looks terrible, but it's a little bit better. And then I released a third one and a fourth one, and it just slowly gets more refined over time. Oh my goodness, it's Divya Sokmil! Hello, Divya Sokmil. Maybe you expect too much from yourself for your first big game. Oh yeah, I think we are all guilty of doing that to ourselves. I think the most important part is to focus on releasing your first game first. Or in fact, try not to make it too big for your first project. Don't listen to Chini. You can do a thing, just do a variable.variable and it's saved as a thing. What's that? What do you mean? Variable and you save as a thing. I think the saving will have to be manually coded, right? Save to a JSON file or something. mcage.visible. This one? Cage is the ID to an object, so this would turn it not visible, I guess. Actually, why do I have this line here? Ah, right, because I broke the cage, that's why I made it invisible. That's right. Yeah. The visible is part of it's a built-in variable tied to an object. You once tried to learn coding before that, but failed and felt like you didn't understand any of it. Yeah, I think it's part of the journey. I think it's something that we slowly learn over time, I feel. I think rather than thinking about like coding as something you have to master before you make your game, I think it's something you learn as you make your game. You have worked on smaller projects, but you have no releases. Oh, you should release them. You legit forgot there's such a thing as recoloring text. Or rather that your colors aren't the same as everyone else's. Color aren't the same as everyone else's. Or is it because of the color settings of the screen? I have that problem. You made maps with moving boulders that would teleport and go in a loop. Moving platforms and a level that was completely destructible and will collapse in the end. Oh! That sounds big. Your objects are color coded red. Oh, I get it. You're talking about this. Sorry. I didn't realize you're talking about this thing. Yeah. I decided to take Colorzor's advice by adding colors to my asset browser. But I only did it to 2 folders. Charles giving a talk soon in September about how to get started in game development. One of the major points is to start small. And you have to release it to have people play no matter how crap it is. I have my funniest review that I ever gotten from a game that I published on Newgrounds was 2 words. It just says "go die" or something like that. I think apparently my game was too much of a waste of time for the person. It was hilarious. Yeah, really smart and bad. You make a Pong clone, an attempt at top-down RPG that you only coded the mechanics for, and your GX Jam game, and a project with top-down shooter mechanic. It's still worth releasing. It was in Russian. It translates everything's crap except the music. And you stole the music from Black Eyed Peas. But in primary school, oh man, everyone's starting so young these days. Primary school making games, wow, that's crazy. It's amazing though. It's amazing. It's nice that everyone is starting early. You know, right? It's crazy. You wish you could have started that young. Yeah. Yeah, but that's the way it is. Starting at the ripe old age of 22. It's never too late. Hang on, I lost track of what I was doing. Right. The callback. Back then didn't have much documentation online, so you have to go to the library and read a bunch of coding books. Yeah, good times. I remember as a secondary school student, I went to the library to get a book about ActionScript, and I couldn't understand any of it. Then I went to poly and studied C++, and then I realized, oh, okay, I think I can borrow that book again and give it a shot. And that's how I went ahead and make Flash games. Twin event once. No, finish. What is finish delay actually? I might need to check the documentations later. I started at 27. Well, your game looks amazing. I'm genuinely curious and excited to try it out when you have a build ready. You learned PHP and MySQL when you're around 10 or 11. Wow! Oh yeah. 25 myself, spent too much time in Little Big Planet. In secondary school you transition to like Pro for the most part. Right. What's Chow's game? Oh, hang on. Let me see. Chow, do you have a link? Just feel free to paste the link there. Game looks way better now. There we go. That's the game. Scout Chains looks amazing. It's an arena. What would you call it? An arena brawler? Physics-based arena brawler? Is that what? Is that the right way to describe it? You honestly might go back to projects that you literally only make mechanics for and try to add actual content to them. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. I think that's a good idea. Function. Okay. MFSM dot change state. I do not know if I can write it like this. The syntax. Not sure if the syntax will work here. Run right. Yeah, top-down shooter. Let's go, man. Updating the page next week. Cool. Looking forward to it. Oh, I'm looking forward to your Saturday's build of the game. I can play beforehand and make some footage of it and then hand it to you. Okay, let's test this out. You literally make enemy spawners, it goes on forever. Yeah, why not? Make it a high score based game. Uh-oh, it's not working. It's not working. It's not working. I'll do it the stupid way, I guess. Time to go. Yep, I'll do it the lame way. Let's do it. Let's go! Please don't laugh at my crappy code. Okay. How is it not working? Oh, I wrote like a tween app callback, and I was expecting it to actually call that callback function once the slow motion has ended, but it didn't work. So I think I did something wrong there. Yeah, but I'm too lazy to figure it out, so I'll just do it the primitive way. Hang on. Oops, I did it in the wrong place. Nope. Nope. Why is my mouse like lagging? You go into an article? Share the article, come on. Share it, share it. Ah, Virtual C, there we go. Awesome stuff, man. You know this game? It's by Spring Loaded. Also local. Sanuk? Sanuk sounds really familiar. Where have I heard of Sanuk? Ah. Scouts and Bone is now in alpha stage. Really? There we go. There we go. What is this? Ah, Scout Chains and Hell Blaster. Good stuff, man. Yeah, I've seen this publication before. Virtual C. Southeast Asia's games. Nice. You heard a lot of old successful game code wasn't always that good or optimized. They keep working on it and release that game. Right. Yeah, 6 Vs. 6V and this 100 switch case statement is amazing. It's amazing. Just a moment, eh? I lost my train of thought. What the? Where's the part where I twin the value of DT mod? I don't see it. Huh? What can that be? DT mod. Did I accidentally delete it? Let me check. Oops! Goro intro, goodness. John Carmack is the beast. Oh, indeed he is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, what happened to that? What happened to the... Did I accidentally delete my code? What the hell? I think I did. What the what? How did I do that without realizing? My goodness. Okay. ID is in quad. So we're going from slow to fast. Twin mode once. Delta true. Delay 0. Duration 2 seconds is enough. Okay. Okay, there we go. Have I heard of the inverse square root code? Yeah, I heard of it. I've not actually seen it. It's basically a quick way to do square root, right? That gives you a pretty accurate approximation. Is that it? Is that the one? Pretty accurate approximation of inverse square root via lookup table. Oh, you still don't understand it. I haven't even looked at the thing. I don't think I will ever attempt to understand it. It's cool, man. It's amazing stuff, you know. And it all happens in like what, 1992? That's crazy stuff, man. Okay, yeah, I have no idea how that works. Main one is like this one line. Ah, that's crazy. How does that work? Bum, 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 bum. Okay, let's try this 3. FSM dot change state. Making randomly generated dungeons hard. You've never tried it, so I was wondering if you could turn that top-down shooter thing into something like that. Drunkard Walk. Code isn't the most amazing. Some of it is easily understandable, but meanwhile, other parts of the code is kind of confusing. Oh yeah, mine is also pretty confusing. Okay, let me just get this fixed. Okay. Go to intro. What the hell was that? Do you see that particle at the top? What was that? Classic way is BSP level generation. BSP as in what? Binary space partition? Yeah. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, what the hell was that? What was that? What? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh? Huh. Well, okay, at least it walks off. The hell was that? It's how Nicholas does his level. Ah, so that algorithm is drunken walk. In that case, I've done that. That's cool. They did a write-up on that, right? But for some reason, the blog post was taken off. 1. Yeah, I don't know why that happened. Damn, yeah, I was reading that blog post and I thought like, oh, that's a very useful way of doing things. Wonder why it was taken down. You use the algo for a roguelike you made in DigiPen also. That's good stuff. They are jumping too, let's go. I have to fix that, man. What was that? What the hell? My goodness. Should I just hack that away? Just like, write a hack and get around it. It's not like I need to reuse this anyways. It's a one-off thing. I think it's because the Jerboas above, right, were momentarily off the ground. So for some reason, yeah, they were off the ground, right, and then they landed back on the ground here, like at the bottom, at the base of the cage, and that kind of spawned the particles, the landing particles. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, just gonna hack it. Oh yeah, you can see it. What the hell? Wait, I thought I hacked it. What the hell? Make the other Jabars a different instance without code. Yeah, I probably should do that. I can cheat. Hang on. I can write stuff that I'm probably going to regret in the future, but that's alright. Let me see. Can I make use of this player index? Nah, I'll just write a... Hang on. There's another way to do this. Let me think. Right, it's this one. It's this one. The only thing they need to do is to be passively animated, you're right. You're right. Yeah, you're right. Probably don't need any of this for them. Let me see what happens if I do that. Let me see what happens. Do it. I'm gonna do it. Equals to true. Okay. I want to see if anything bad happens. Let me see. Ah! I need to get them to play the right right animation frame. Hang on. The heck was that? Couldn't I just use a follow in the draw? Yeah, I probably could. I was just too lazy, so I copied the entire player object and then reuse it. Just a moment, eh? I got too lazy. Now I'm paying the price. Oh! Oh hey, thanks for the follow, Magnolia. Oh sorry, Manolia. Thanks for the follow. Has the tail always been there? Yes. No. Previously, no. I switched to a shorter tail because it was too distracting behind the bars. Hang on, eh? I mean, I can just do something like this. I guess I can just do something like this. I do need to change up certain things though. I thought I randomized the frame, the image index somewhere. Oh, it's here. Damn it. I see. This is super hacky. Let's try this. Oh no! I need to get the speed correct as well. Too lazy. Let me just copy. Copy. Yes, copy this. There we go. I'm feeling quite ashamed as I do this. I didn't learn my lesson about being too lazy. Yes, I did. Okay, there you go. I'll have to remove the visuals here later. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kapow! Eh? Oh, I realized the depth is also not correct. Damn it. Excuse me. I can fix that. I can fix that. So at the start of the frame, right, after breaking out, right? Bring player to front of layer, I guess. Alright, depth minus equal 100, whatever. Just 100 should be enough. Alright, then time to make the ceiling not visible. Your game runs fine and really smoothly, but the frame rate drops from 60 to 48 when full screen. Do you know what could have caused it? Do you have... Well, I have no idea. Do you have like a... I'm thinking when you go full screen there is a change in the resolution, right? So perhaps it could be a problem with fill rate. You have more pixels to fill. Do you have... Are you drawing anything on the UI layer? That's the UI layer. The UI layer's resolution will change with the screen. Oh, by the way, when you make builds, right? Do you choose VM or YYC? YYC tends to perform better, but it takes longer to compile. Okay. I have to make sound for this soon. 1, 2, 3, 4, kapow! I guess that works. No, actually it's not. I realized something. I need to fix something. Let me check out the intro player. It's still behind. It's still drawn behind the. Oh wait. I guess it's correct. Let me check. Yeah, making the UI draw a fade when pressing button full screen button 2 and UI is drawn on top. Right. It's hard to say what could be the cause, but I guess, you know, when you go full screen you can resize the resolution of your UI layer so it doesn't go too big or something. Maybe. In my case, right, the resolution of my UI layer, right, is always the same as the actual game layer. So it has the same number of like pixels, quote unquote, same number of pixels in there. One, two, three, 4, 5. It still hits this, but I guess it's fine. It's still behind the bars, yeah? Why is it behind the bars? It's one bug after another. I think this is called technical debt. I'm paying the debt now. Let's see. Minus 1000. Screw it. Minus 1000. I need to check the cages as well. So let me check the cage. It's draw n. For some reason I put it in draw n. Don't know why. Anyways. Two, 3, 4, 5. See, it's behind the cage. It's still behind. That's wrong. Oh, I get it. Sorry. I'm dreaming. Okay, I got it. Let's remove this. No, let's just keep it like this. I think it's because draw n was implemented in war, that's why it's there. Okay, let's try again. Not super familiar with coding habits, but is it bad that all your code is in only one object or everything? It depends, I guess. It depends. Maybe it depends on the scope as well. Right, I'm not exactly the voice of authority for good coding practice, so so I don't really dare to give advice on that front. No, but the truth is yours is a card game, right? So most of the logic would in fact be implemented in one area, I imagine. I was using different objects. Right. Yeah, so I tried this a little bit, but I'm gonna use it to a greater effect for my future projects. I have stuff like I have something like sound manager, is it? Audio manager? Nope. What's it called again? SFX manager. Right, I think maybe one thing we can consider is to separate like certain critical functionality of the game, separate them into different systems. Like we have a sound system, physics system, maybe something like that, or effects manager, right? And each of these manager can handle events that is triggered in the while running the game, and they can be handled differently. Like for example, if for example for the sound manager, right, when it listens to this player jump event, it will play a jumping sound. But for the FX manager, when it receives the player jump event, it will respond differently, right, by maybe spawning particles or something like that. I guess that's one way you can go about designing your code, maybe. But I think it's also very much game dependent. Wait, why did I do that? Let me just undo this. Try this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's correct now. There we go. Let me try it again. Can I try again? I think one problem is that the particle effects is drawing above the sprites now, but I guess I'll fix that later. 5. I now need to test it when the aspect ratio is different. I have to actually spawn more stuff to the left. That seems to work, right? What if I change it even more? I have to spawn even more. I do not know if it will start lagging because I'm spawning so many crap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What if I change it while jumping? Oh, you will see some weird stuff happening, I believe. In fact, if I change it while zooming, it's going to be super weird. Let me show you. So I'm gonna do this first. I don't know if I need to fix this, but I guess for mobile devices, I don't have to worry about it. Let me show you what I mean. See, while it's zooming, right, if I change the scale, right, it's going to look like this. Oh no, it's freezing. Oh no, it's freezing. My computer is freezing. Oh crap. Crap, what's going on? I need to stop the game. Come on, Windows, don't give up. Okay. I'm sorry, I do not know why that happened. No, it's not an endless loop, but I don't know why. There's something. I'm working on like 2 different monitors. I don't know why it suddenly triggered that issue where it started to switch between the two monitors rapidly. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, I don't know if I needed to fix that because it's not like you can resize the window on mobile. But I guess eventually I need to fix it. And the reason why that happens was because it's because of the reference dimension that I'm using when performing the scaling. I'm still using the old dimensions instead of the resized dimension. So that's one of the reasons. Was that a problem just now? Let me check. Did it ignore my button press? If else the cage will keep falling off screen. Does the cage get destroyed when off screen? I don't think I actually destroyed them. I just let it keep falling because it's almost near the end of the near the end of the scene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then it should trigger something. What if they flip the phone sideways in this part? Oh, I'm not supporting landscape. I'm not supporting a landscape view. Only portrait. Yeah, the entire game is designed with portrait view in mind. Like all of the levels are like vertical. Okay, I think once I'm done with this next part, I will end it. It's almost 8. Oh my god, it's almost 8. Where do I go next? Here. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Get screen right plus some amount. Hard code. How many levels am I at now? I have 90 levels. 90 confirmed levels. I still have a bit more, but I want to leave them for future content updates. You just... Oh my god, you're right. My screen is frozen. Ah! My screen is frozen. Why is it frozen? Okay, it's back. Oh my goodness. I didn't even realize it was frozen. That was hilarious. Yeah, I do not know why resizing while in Zumo caused that problem. It never caused that problem before. I think it's partly because I'm streaming. I don't know. Maybe. No idea what happened. Okay. Let's try this. I forgot what function I need to call. Oh wait, I don't need to worry about doing this. Let's just forcefully change it. Then I will have to think about how to make the transition a little bit more cohesive, maybe. You don't like anime since it's subscription model. I'm using face rig, not animes. I'm using face rig. I was using voice syncing earlier, but then for some reason the model started playing some weird expression. So I'm now currently on I'm now just playing a pre-recorded performance. You know what? Let me turn off the performance. I'll show you what I mean. You see that? Hi. You like my teeth? Yeah, I don't know what's happening. I do not know how to reset it. So I'm gonna play a pre-recorded performance instead. There we go. No more teeth. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Technology, am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that shouldn't be happening. I know, right? I don't know why. This is the first time it's happened. Wow, what a terrible transition. It's okay, I'll fix that off stream. That was a terrible transition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess I can probably do a camera flash, you know, for the transition. That should work. It just needs to flash, right? Make it sudden. But with a bit of flashiness. Okay, yeah, I definitely need to polish that a bit more. Oh crap! Devious Oatmeal, do you remember this level? This level was made with your input. You do? Alright, man. Yeah, this level is all the way in world number 9. So I'm going to release it with, at least for the initial release of the game, I'm going to release it with 10 worlds. And then I will be planning more updates, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 90 levels. I could try to save the phase 3 settings in the folder, then reinstall it if you get the time later. Ah, okay. I shall do that. The thing is, I can reset that facial expression if I attach a webcam. Yeah, but the thing is, after a while, right, it will revert to that you know, that weird expression again. I don't know what's causing it. It breaks your immersion. Alright. Since I'm gonna end stream anyway, let me show you my teeth. Hi. I was thinking maybe you could fix the teeth issue. Yeah, I'll try and fix that in a bit. Now it just looks a little bit angry, I guess. It's angry dog. Anyways, I guess I'll do a quick recap. I've hard-coded the entire opening scene, I guess. I might need to add a little bit more to it. I'm not sure if I need to add like an additional camera pan. Maybe I don't need to. Let's see. So this is the opening scene. It's definitely missing sound effects. I need to work on that. It's missing ambient sound. I need to work on that as well. In advanced setting, you can turn off certain expressions if they are not working like I expect. Let me try. Advanced tracking settings, eh? Oh yeah, I was fiddling around with it earlier, but I couldn't get it to work. That was weird. Oops, sorry. Disjointed legs. Immersion broken. No, it looks great with the T. First open UI. Yeah, I've opened it. There you go, this one, right? Tracking settings. Advanced tracking configuration, maybe? Look at those teeth. Yeah. Anyways, it takes 5 hits to break out of the cage. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At that point, I just spawn like 2 other sprites. Let it fall off the stage, and this happens. It's a bit abrupt. I feel like I can wait a little bit more. Like something like 100. It's about as hacky as it can get. Configurations, yes. Let me try. This one, right? So if I turn all of this off, it doesn't seem to do anything. For some reason, this seems to be the default now. Woo! It's weird. Top tab. Then click expression thingy. You might want to mess around. Hang on. Expression unit. Mess around with it. Two tabs on top of the advanced tracking config. Is this one, right? This two. Yeah, I see it. I see it. I'll play with it a tad later, I guess. I'll play with it off stream. Thanks, man. Thanks for letting me know about that. Okay, I'll do this quick recap. Let's see if we can get this to work properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I break out of the cage. I proceed to the right. Ta-da! Okay, so here it's still very abrupt, but I'm going to put like a camera flash here, so it will feel more natural. Maybe. Yeah, I have to try it out. Power Stream Master's Kid says. Thanks, Xiao. Okay, thanks again, Crazy UX. I'm gonna try that out. Yeah. So I guess I will call it here. Time for dinner, and then tonight I have plans with John. We are going to try playing Synthetic. It's a game that is made in GameMaker, but it features graphics that looks almost 3D. It's quite interesting. So I'm gonna check it out. You love Synthetic, is awesome. Ah, that's good. So I look forward to playing it. Yeah. Okay. Thanks everyone. I hope to see you again very soon. I'm coming back later to play. Alright, see you, man. See you all. Bye bye.